Oh man, I am really excited to get this part done. Everything looks real good and tight. I don't see any leaks anywhere. Beautiful. Down on this end where we're gonna finish up, we've got our water line exposed right here. All the water line comes off right here and kind of splits up to this pipe. So I'm gonna have to tie that in later. All right, so here we go. We got Shelly out here to help us because I need somebody to hold this this spigot behind me. So, all right, I'm just gonna dump a little bit of hot water here on that pipe. We did it. That's a lot of work. Here's the moment of truth. You ready to turn that water back on? Go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Here it comes. Okay.
So far, so good.
Oh man, I am really excited to get this part done. That was the most stressful part of this whole project for me. But everything looks real good and tight. I don't see any leaks anywhere. We've got water and I am excited about that. Now I just need to backfill under all that and over it and we'll be good to go. And here's the other one and I don't see any leaks down in there either. And so I am really happy with that. All right, let's see how these spigots work out. Beautiful. Next up. That's a wrap on the water.